everyone, I am coming to you for your latest Thursday Thermomix Thrifty Tip. It's so crazy that I cannot get that right every single time, and that was probably not right either, but it's number 9. And I thought I'd tell you a little bit about how to get your base of your Thermomix on easily. And a lot of you will probably already be doing it like this, but some of you that had the 31 might be doing it a little bit differently because that's how we taught it back in the 31 days. But you can do this tip for both the 31 or the 5. Excuse the mess, I've just been cooking and I'm going to be cooking a little bit more. But it occurred to me and I thought I'd better bring it to you right now while I remember. So, see the base here? See this little indent? That is actually for your fingers. And I know I've got long nails, so it'll still work with people with nails, but that is for your fingers. And this part, can you see, of your hand, your palm, goes to the base of the handle. And when you're sitting it upright, you use this part of your hand to twist and open, like so. Easy peasy, blade comes out. You've got to have it upright when you're doing that, otherwise of course when you release the base, your blade's going to fall out, which is why we prefer you doing it this way rather than turning it upside down and taking it off that way, which is how we used to do it in the older days. And to put it back on, again, my fingers are here. We place the base on, and with that part of your palm, you twist it and it locks into position. Very important. Once you do that, you then need to check by lifting that blade up that it's locked in properly. Because remember, if it's not locked in properly, and sometimes it just looks like it is, and you put it back in position, you pour liquid in there, if that blade is not locked in, then your liquid's going to pour right into the motor. Nobody wants that. So, that's how you do it with the 31. Absolute same deal with the 5. Fingers in here, palm where the base of the handle is, twist, it comes off, blade comes out, blade back in, base, hold it, and now I can't feel resistance, which means that blade is actually, if you have a look, slightly lifted off. Alright, so I'm just going to pop it back in. Now I can feel that resistance, which means it's in there, and I'll double check by pulling. Ta-da! It's in. It's a much easier way to put your base on and off, taking it on and off. Hope you enjoyed that Thursday Thermomix Thrifty Tip, number 9. And if you loved it, as always, tag people who need to know about this and share away. Have an awesome day. Oops, I mean tip number 10. We're up to 10. Sorry, my mistake.